welcome back to my channel. It's Tiffany Benson, one part of Team Benson, and I am out in my garden today. One, to give you 5 easy tips to increasing your space in your small space garden, and also to let you guys know we have hit 150 subscribers, so that means we're doing a seed giveaway. Yay! In the seed giveaway, all you have to do is comment on this video below, so just subscribe, like, and comment on this video below, and that'll enter you in to win. We will be picking 2 people, and they will receive 4 different types of seeds, and I will send you a bag of those seeds. Type 1 is going to be the peas. They're going to be Oregon sweet peas, and then there's going to be red core carrots and collards and cilantro. So these are all seeds, extra seeds that I got from the Great American Seed Up. If you guys don't know, this is an event that goes on in Arizona where you can buy all of your seeds that you'll need for the year. There's tons of seeds. You buy them by the scoop. A big bag like this costs only like $1 something. I'm not affiliated with the Great American Seed Up, but I thought it was really cool and I didn't know about it, so I thought it'd be something that you guys should know about it too, because all of these seeds are grown in Arizona, so they make it a little bit easier to grow here in our climate. And if you're out of the state, you can grow all of your stuff with seeds that can handle a lot of heat, because it gets hot here. So I'm going to put all these down and then walk you guys through those 5 easy steps to expanding your space. Alright guys, so expanding your garden space is really important when you have a small space garden, because you want to pack as much as you can into those small spaces. My garden is just my backyard, which is about a little less than 200 square feet, and I pack over 150 to 160 plants in here every single season. How I do that, tip number 1 is planting a smaller variety of what it is that you're wanting. So when planting green beans, instead of planting a lot of long vining green beans that need trellises, I plant more so bush beans. Also the same thing with cabbages. I found a cabbage is a smaller variety called a Jersey cabbage. Instead of it having a huge head on it, it has a longer head on it, so it needs less space. So I don't have any green beans to show you guys because they did get ruined by the storm, but for example, this is my Jersey cabbage, and the Jersey cabbage, as you can see, it's more compact. It's already starting to form a head, which is what this is, and it's just going to grow in this compact space. That's a lot different from this regular cabbage here that's going to need to expand out. So I could plant technically 2 Jersey cabbages in this space and they would be just fine. But since I have a regular cabbage in here, I can only plant 1. So tip number 2 is going to be grow up. So you have all of the space on the ground. May not be a lot, but you can grow upwards too as well. So you can maximize the space that you have on the bottom, but then also use trellises to grow up. I'm going to show you some examples of some trellises that I'm using. So my main example of trellises that I'm using are my arches. I have my 2 big main arches that I have that can grow stuff on both sides of them. So that's 4 ways to grow up. Also, on these I can grow 2 as well, which I have I got a brick. Instead of using a pot, I use a brick, so then I can hold 1 beam, but then also use the other beam to put dirt in to plant things like green beans that don't take up a lot of space with their roots. The other way is I just use trellises wherever I can tuck them in. So this trellis is inside of the arch, as you guys can see. It's also inside of the frame, but it's growing sweet peas up it ever so lovely, and it takes up a little bit of space, as you guys can see, and it's just growing up. So tip number 3 is going to be use the space that's provided for you. Most townhomes like mine have large privacy fences, so there's space where you can grow foods. Even my broccoli only get maybe halfway to the middle of the fence, but then there's all this space at the top of the fence. So what can you do with that space? Get things to hang off of it. So for example, I use these hooks that I got at the dollar store, and I have potted flowers that hang off of those hooks. This helps attract the bees because it puts the flowers a little bit higher than what like the ground flowers are going to be, and even more so what the beds are. And then I also grow herbs up here too as well. So I just got a piece of wood and I screwed some nails into it, and then just hung these little pots with all of my herbs on it and used the same hooks. And so that gave me all the space I would have for these plants to grow as big as they need to grow, but then gave me all the space up here too as well. Okay guys, so tip number 4 is going to be use raised garden beds. You can put a raised garden bed anywhere. All you need is something to frame it out and something to hold the dirt and a bunch of dirt. So as you guys can see, I have a really large patio, and I wanted to have more growing space and have growing space in a garden bed. So I just built a garden bed with just 2 bricks and 2 pieces of wood, and I used weed fabric that I nailed inside, and then I just filled it with dirt. And now my plants are growing happy, 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 just like they would if they were in my big garden beds out there in the actual soil. Last tip, tip number 5, when all else fails, use a pot. You can grow just about anything in a pot. So guys, I have pots of all different sizes. Really, really big ones, medium ones, really small ones, and semi-decent size, and long ones, and just pots of all different sizes. You can always put whatever you need in a pot. Just make sure you give it enough room for the roots to grow, and it will grow you amazing fruit. So I hope you guys enjoyed those tips, and I hope that they help you guys maximize your growing space so that you can grow as many vegetables as you want and also be able to try some new things. Never let a small space make you feel like you can't put everything you possibly want to grow in it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to enter in the seed giveaway. All you have to do is subscribe and comment down below. Just anything you guys want to comment. You can say your favorite tip that you like, or you can just say it's sunny in Arizona, because right now it's already a little bit warm. So thanks for watching guys. Bye.